This is EJ Michael K. I'm reporting from Inwele Study and Research Center, Enugu, Nigeria and West Africa. You see, I'm here to talk about the power interruption in our country. You see, due to the power interruption or the lack of power, we can say that you can see that all our products in different industries are damaging by the burning of the fuses, and instead of to use the money for our production, we use it to repair our machines. So, on the other hand, it causes the half of 100% of our goods, and it affects us because of our economy. Okay. On the other side, too, hands down in our business, we could not be able to fridge our goods like ice fish and those things. Because of the power, we cannot fridge them and it gets lost and rot. Once again, I am Michael K. EJ, reporting from Inwele Study and Research Center. Thank you.